Welcome to Smallcraft Cruising and the unboxing of my new Suzuki DF25 outboard. To start off with, the box is big and rather heavy and you'll need a big vehicle to transport it. Anyways, here's my new motor and I'm pretty excited about it. Not a whole lot to say right here, so it's just kind of a motor, so we're just going to unbox it and have a look. A lot of people don't know these straps here are just glued together. Just flip the part over where it connects, just rotate it and pull the tab and it comes right off. You can just yank on these straps pretty hard and they won't go anywhere, but just flip over there and pull the tab and pop right off, easy enough. But let's get to the good part. If you follow my channel, you'll see that I'm restoring an old Nylox runabout, and that's exactly where this motor is going. I must say, I'm fairly impressed with how well these motors are packed. It arrived completely without a scratch. And good luck fitting all this packaging material into your trash can. The fuel tank here is 25 liters or 6.6 gallons and comes with the motor. People say that's enough to run the motor all day and you should really expect a video of me testing it later when it gets wet. But for now, I do like the built-in fuel gauge on the tank and I find it accurate enough. The fuel line here is about 6 feet long and attaches easily to the can. The power line from the outboard to the remote is about 6, 12, 18, roughly 20 feet from the end to the Y here, and then it's about 4 to 5 feet after that. I couldn't find any specs, so there you go. The remote throttle here is a bit larger than I expected, but it comes with a key, kill switching cord, trim switch, high idle lever, and about 3 feet of cord. And it's easy enough to operate as well. I went with a white motor, as you can see, which is a little more cream than white, and I'm disappointed it does have a black propeller. I would prefer a white propeller, but I do like the clean lines, and hopefully that graphic won't look too dated too soon. One gripe about the clean lines, however, is they make it fairly difficult to just pick up and move this 160-pound motor. Sure, it's fairly large, but it's still a portable outboard, and there's really no great way to hold it if you're actually strong enough to move it yourself. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos.